Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Discord soundboards. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to log in into your Discord app or account. So from here, in this tutorial, I'm just going to use the web app. And basically, you will to need just to go to the soundboards. So basically from here, I'm just going to enable this and now we can go. So here in the user settings, we can see there are some soundboards settings, but what we are interested in is to go to any voice channel. So for example, I'm just going to this general voice channel. You can allow if you would like, but it doesn't matter. So from here, we will find, let's go back. From here, we will find these soundboards, open soundboard. We click here, and basically here we will find soundboard for each server. So each server has its own soundboards. And basically you can create your own soundboard. So basically you can add soundboard, you browse, you search for audio file, you name it, you give it an emoji if you would like, and you can add your own soundboards. Otherwise, you can just use the Discord soundboard or your friend's soundboard if they are available. Of course, if you want to use some external soundboard in the same in any channel that you are in, you will need to have the Nitro version or you will need just to have the Nitro subscription of Discord. Otherwise, you will be able only to use this server soundboards in this server and not all the other soundboard that you have. So basically this is how you can use soundboards. You will need just to click on it and it will be singing or playing on your voice channel. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.